I am Sarah Janvekar. Today I will be presenting my technology based Excel data analytics project titled App Usage Analytics. The main goal of this project was to compare screen time across different age groups and devices and generate meaningful insights from the data. Also, to identify which segments are more engaged and where to focus product or marketing efforts. So, the first step was data import. I used dataset of 50 users with details like user ID, age group, device used, and the daily screen time in hours per day. The data was either raw or dummy data that I cleaned before starting analysis. So the next step was data cleaning. In the data cleaning stage, I removed the blank rows, duplicates, and fixed the formatting issues. I ensured that age groups and devices were consistent. For example, I have cleaned the age group and the clean devices using the trim and the proper functions. I ensured that they were standardized. So this step made sure that formulas and pivot tables work correctly throughout the project. Next, we did the exploratory analysis. Once the data was clean, I performed basic exploratory analysis. I used Excel functions like average ifs, count ifs, and sum ifs to calculate average screen time per age group, count of users per age group, average screen time per device, and this gave me a clear idea of which groups or devices had the highest or the lowest usage. Next, we have done the pivot table. I used pivot tables to follow and allow flexible analysis. I dragged clean age groups to rows and clean device to columns and screen time to values twice, once as average and once as count. I added slicers for age group and device and connected those slicers to multiple pivot tables using slicer in report connections. So one slicer controls all the visuals. So next is the dashboard, where I then combined all these visuals into a single sheet called dashboard. The dashboard has a clear title, slicers on the left for easy filtering, charts arranged for quick insights, and a small text box summarizing the key findings in the project. So here I have added the visuals for better interpretation, and we have used the horizontal bar chart as we can see here, average screen time by age groups for easy comparison. And then we have used the column chart that shows average screen time by device, clearly highlighting mobile as the highest used device. Then we also have the count of users by age group, a donut chart showing percentage share of users by age group, making it easy to see the largest and the smallest segments. Finally, I interpreted the results and wrote down 4 to 5 key insights. Some of the main observations were highest screen time. Age groups of 35 to 44 years had the highest average screen time at 5.30 hours per day, which is 17% higher than the overall average of 4.52 hours per day. Mobile dominance. We see that mobile users recorded the highest screen time of 5.41 hours per day and contributed to over 41% of total usage. L- Low usage segments can also be seen, where 13 to 17 years of age group spends the least time, and the device comparison is clear that laptop and smart TV users have close to average screen time, showing balanced engagement, whereas the tablets have zero usage, indicating low adoption in the dataset. These insights help us understand user behavior and can guide decisions, such as which devices to optimize apps for or which age groups to target for engagement campaigns. In conclusion, this project helped me practice the key Excel analytics skills, including data cleaning, formula based calculations, pivot tables, slicers, and dashboard design. It also showed how visualizing data can reveal clear patterns that are not immediately visible from raw tables. This dashboard can be used by businesses or app developers to understand user engagement trends and make data driven decisions. Thank you.